Welcome back to Building Successful IT Teams, a Leader's Guide. In Chapter 6, we'll explore the importance of effective communication in IT management. From establishing clear communications channels to managing communication with both executives and team members and handling conflicts with tact, we'll cover how to foster a communicative and collaborative environment in your IT team. In the fast-paced IT world, establishing clear communication channels is crucial. Without them, misunderstandings can arise, productivity may suffer, and critical issues can go unresolved. In IT, structured communication minimizes ambiguity and ensures information is conveyed accurately. This might involve daily stand-up meetings, weekly reports, or project management tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. By having predictable communication pathways, everyone knows how and where to share updates or raise concerns, keeping the workflow smooth and efficient. The tools you use will depend on your team size and work style. Real-time communication platforms can be helpful for quick problem solving, but detailed discussions may require formal channels like email or project management software. The goal is to enhance communication, not hinder it. So choose tools that match the team's needs. Once you have the tools in place, it's essential to standardize how they're used. Set expectations for when to use instant messaging versus email, how updates should be formatted, and the expected response times. By setting regular meetings like daily check-ins and weekly reviews, you ensure that everyone is aligned and aware of their priorities. It's not just about tools and protocols. Openness is key. Encourage team members to share their ideas and concerns without fear of judgment. Leaders play a pivotal role here by modeling transparent communication themselves, making it easier for others to follow. Over time, as your team grows or projects become more complex, it's important to reassess and adjust your communication strategies. Regularly review their effectiveness and seek input from your team to keep communication flowing smoothly. In summary, establishing clear communication channels is foundational for leading IT teams. By choosing the right tools, standardizing protocols, and fostering openness, leaders can ensure their teams are well coordinated and equipped to handle the challenges ahead. As an IT leader, you serve as a bridge between your team and the executive leadership. This dual role requires balancing strategic communication with executives while ensuring clarity and support for your team. When speaking with executives, you need to focus on the big picture, business outcomes, ROI, and risk management. Frame your updates in terms that resonate with executive priorities such as improving efficiency or driving innovation. Link IT initiatives to the organization's overall strategic goals to demonstrate their value. Executives rely on data to make decisions, so present clear, measurable insights using KPIs and metrics that showcase the impact of your team's work. Be transparent about potential risks, but also proactive by offering contingency plans. This shows that you're prepared and capable of handling challenges. Establish a consistent cadence of updates, whether through reports or dashboards. This keeps executives informed and avoids surprises, ensuring alignment at all times. Your communication with the team requires a different approach, one that emphasizes clarity, direction, and support. Help your team understand not just what they're doing, but why it matters. Clear articulation of goals and their alignment with business strategies gives team members a sense of purpose. Encourage open dialogue, where team members can ask questions, share ideas, and raise concerns. This builds trust and ensures issues are addressed early on. Provide the tools, resources, and training necessary for your team to succeed. Empower them to take ownership of their tasks, which boosts engagement and productivity. Regularly acknowledge and celebrate your team's achievements. Recognition, whether formal or informal, fosters a positive work environment and motivates your team. As a bridge between executives and your team, you must ensure clear, aligned communication that empowers both groups to succeed. In any team, conflicts are inevitable, whether from differing opinions, misunderstandings, or clashes in work styles. Your ability to handle these situations with professionalism and empathy is crucial for maintaining team cohesion. The first step in addressing conflict is recognizing when it happens and understanding its root causes. It's essential to address conflicts before they escalate by identifying miscommunication, misaligned goals, or personality differences that may be at play. Whether delivering feedback or addressing performance issues, difficult conversations require empathy. Set the stage by creating a private, distraction-free environment for the discussion. Actively listen to the other person's perspective before offering feedback. This builds trust and ensures that the conversation is a two-way dialogue rather than a one-sided critique. Be clear and direct when addressing issues. Avoid vague language or sugarcoating the problem. Instead, provide concrete examples and communicate your expectations for improvement. Focus on behavior and solutions ensures that the conversation is productive. The goal of conflict resolution is not to win, but to find a solution that works for everyone. Encourage open dialogue, collaboration, and compromise to address the root of the issue. If necessary, involve a third party to mediate and ensure the conversation remains constructive. After resolving a conflict, follow up to ensure progress. Reinforce positive outcomes by acknowledging improvements and celebrating success. This helps rebuild trust and encourages a more collaborative team environment. By handling conflicts and difficult conversations with empathy, clarity, and a focus on solutions, you can turn challenging situations into opportunities for growth and strengthening your IT team. Effective communication is the backbone of successful IT management. By establishing clear communications channels, mastering the art of managing up and down, and addressing conflicts with professionalism, you create a team environment that fosters collaboration, trust, and productivity. Thank you for listening to Chapter 6 of Building Successful IT Teams, a Leader's Guide. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll explore managing performance and development within your IT team. For deeper insights into the topics covered in this video, or for topics covered elsewhere in this book, or in the other valuable resources in the Ken Lentz IT Management Coaching Series, click on the link below to access them on Amazon.